Hey guys, today we're going to be working on our abs. I've got 10 exercises picked out for us. You're going to need your kettlebell. I'm going to be using 10 pounds. You can use whatever's comfortable for you. Also, grab a yoga mat because some of these exercises will be done on the ground. Before we get started, don't forget to click that subscribe button and smash that like button. Let's get into the workout.
When I let you go, let's just pull you closer. I can't understand where it came from, but you got it, I got it. It began in the land of the sandstorm. I fought it, though I wanted everything to do with what you gave. I'm awake with the flame in a hailstorm. I'm back in, I got enough it. Everything to do with what you gave to me. Loosening my grip has pulled you into me. When I let you go, it just pulled you closer. It's a long departure. Oh, in an otherwise suffocating world, I'm reaching out for arms, I'm drowning in the open-ended love we're making, girl. Exhale the past, inhale a future that lasts. Change my heart, change my mind. For the last time, wanna believe in the life I've led. I don't wanna leave another word unsaid. You know my heart will follow you in tomorrow. In tomorrow. Shared my evidence you once really cared. I'm reaching for a hand to pull me up, one open to an everlasting love. Exhale the past, inhale a future that lasts. Change my heart, change my mind. For the last time, wanna believe in the life I've led. I don't wanna leave another word unsaid. You know my heart will follow you in tomorrow. In tomorrow.
Silent nights recalling you, a souvenir of what it could be. Pieces of my mind are yours. I forgot the parts I'm missing. I pretend that we are okay, like nothing's ever broken.
Great job today. That's the workout. I hope you give these exercises a shot and let me know what you think in the comments down below. Don't forget to click that subscribe button for more workout videos and smash that like button. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.